In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT, 5 tips and tricks. If you've ever wondered how to get clearer, faster, and more useful results from AI, you're in the right place. We'll walk through 5 practical techniques you can use immediately, keeping everything simple, actionable, and easy to follow. First, use detailed prompts. Great answers start with great questions, so give clear instructions and specific context. Tell ChatGPT who the audience is, your goal, and how you want the response to sound. Mention tone, format, and the desired outcome. Detailed prompts improve response quality because they remove guesswork. For example, you might say, "Explain in simple bullet points," or "Write a friendly 2-paragraph overview with one example." The more precise you are, the more on target the reply will be. Second, ask follow-up questions. Treat the chat like a conversation you can refine. If the answer feels too broad, request more detail. Ask for examples, summaries, or explanations of any step you don't understand. You can say, "Give me a concrete example," or "Summarize that in one paragraph," or even, "Expand section 2 with actionable steps." Continuing the conversation helps improve accuracy and depth. Third, use ChatGPT for productivity. You can create schedules, summaries, and to-do lists, generate emails, reports, and presentations, and automate repetitive writing tasks. Save time on research and brainstorming by pasting your notes and asking for a concise outline or a clear action plan. Always remove personal or sensitive details before sharing text. Try prompts like, "Turn these meeting notes into a prioritized to-do list," or "Draft a professional email response in a polite, confident tone." Fourth, experiment with different formats. Ask for tables, lists, outlines, or step-by-step guides when you need structure. Generate scripts, quizzes, or study notes for learning and teaching. Adapt responses for business, school, or content creation, and customize outputs for different audiences. You can request, "Format this as an outline with headings and brief descriptions," or "Rewrite for a beginner audience with a supportive tone." Fifth, leverage AI creativity. Brainstorm ideas for projects and marketing, generate stories, captions, and video scripts, and create content for blogs and social media. Use AI as a creative assistant for innovation by giving clear constraints like style, length, and mood. Ask for multiple variations, choose what you like, and iterate until it fits. Practice these 5 techniques, combine them as needed, and you'll consistently get stronger, more useful results from ChatGPT.